because each of these rights, and many more, are incorporated in the health insurance reform bill that recently passed the House of Representatives and in the bill that is currently making its way through the Senate. Both the House and the Senate bills would make it against. These recommendations have now been incorporated into our broader reform agenda, but we need to fast-track their proposals, the Commission's proposals in the future, so that we don't miss another opportunity to save billions of dollars. As we gain more information about what works and what doesn't work in our healthcare system. I think that there was legitimate concern that we had not incorporated all of the measures that could reduce healthcare inflation over the long term in some of the versions of healthcare reform that were coming out of the committee. Supported it, and it got incorporated into our approach. I've also incorporated almost every serious idea from across the political spectrum about how to contain the rising costs of healthcare. As to make sure that our values and our ethical standards are incorporated in everything we do, but
we have some spring varietals that came out, during the warm weeks that we had. So some of this will be incorporated to this menu tonight.
And I believe the international community as a whole together will need to call for restraint on the part of DPRK. And more specifically, I believe the measures incorporated in the recent UN Security Council chairman's statement need to be complied with.
When you guys are doing these projects, is this incorporated in your classroom learning, or are you doing this as a club just after school after class?
So this is the 5th year that we've had this group.
Over the last 2 years, we've seen a steady process in which political prisoners, including Aung San Suu Kyi, have been released and have been incorporated into the political process.
There are positive impacts by means of investments as we expand the degree of technology incorporated into Brazilian products.